Hello, and welcome to another short session dedicated to students and fresher on how to reach out to someone on LinkedIn for the first time. So LinkedIn, as we all know, is a great professional social networking platform to connect with like-minded people and is used to increase your network. However, knowingly or unknowingly, we are using it the wrong way. Let me start with a question. Has your first interaction on LinkedIn been as professional person? If your answer is no, then this session is for you. So, how do you interact professionally? Well, the first thing is that make a good impression. A common issue that I have found is we send a simple hi or hello or how are you message. You thought this would be a good start, didn't you? Well, I'm going to break some myths here for you. You need to communicate more briefly and add value to your conversation. Some of us even don't type the full sentence and we write in short forms. Believe me, that's going to cause a huge negative impact on your first impression. You need to keep this in mind that you're interacting with a stranger. If you're going to send a message, type the complete sentence with the correct grammar or don't type it. It's as simple as that. Communicate on LinkedIn the same way as you would in a professional interaction outside LinkedIn. The option for instantly messaging someone is great. However, it can also instantly break your first interaction if not communicated in the right way, right? It's the words that you send would create your image in the individual's mind. The person has not met you before, right? And he doesn't know about your personality. So basically, it is by the way you interact would create a picture about yourself. So to begin with your first interaction, you must make it about the connection you are interacting with and not about yourself. Wait, what? What did I just say? Let me try to break this down for you. Picture it in this way. You wouldn't approach a stranger on a street and ask him for a job right away, would you? He would be like, hey, who are you? So, you don't want to do the same thing on LinkedIn. You don't need to give money to add value. However, you can start with showing them a little bit of appreciation. You still with me? Right? Maybe they got a recent promotion. In that case, you can say congratulations in the comment box. Send them good wishes, right? Main part is to build relationship first. And maybe they posted some article or contributed to a LinkedIn group. So you can comment on that by starting a discussion on a common interest. Ask them question about their area of expertise rather than approaching for a job opening at the first interaction. Write something on their post that will trigger them to open the conversation with you. Make it about them first by asking short questions within their area of interest. So in summary, you need to nurture your conversation or first interaction and be clear on what the person in front of you has to gain in exchange of their time and see the doors to start open for you. So once you have added value for your connection, here is an example of a good interaction you can initiate when approaching a recruiter. So here, as you can see on the screen, it's mentioned, "Hi Maria, thank you for taking the time to connect with me. I am Richard, a second year MS student at so-and-so university. Prior to grad school, I worked as a software engineer at XYZ company. My project during this time involved working on Microsoft-based services, which taught me how to use Azure services efficiently. I have also worked on Project Link that taught me database services. I feel that this combination will add value to your cloud practice team, which I understand from the white paper you published recently on contact center solution at scale. I've also done two project-based internships at XYZ, as well as worked on building custom application at the startup in India along with a couple of friends. This taught me how to understand the pain points as users into business requirement. I also learned how to drive clarity from ambiguity, an important skill for a senior software engineer role. I am very much interested in the senior software engineer opportunity on your team at Microsoft. If your schedule permits, can you please help me understand a little more about the roles and responsibility? Thanks and regards, her name. So in summary, you need to first of all build relationship with your connection and then initiate based on this sample example as you can see on the screen. So this particular example illustrates how you can add value and also gives a good summary to the recruiter. Thank you for watching this short video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like icon if you found this helpful.